Hello dear children, in grammar we are going to learn about helping verbs like is, am, are, was, were, has, had and have. First we will learn about is, am and are. Children, we have already learned about verbs. What are verbs? Verbs are action words. They show us what a noun or pronoun is doing about their action. Is, am, are, and all the verbs which we are going to learn today, they all are helping verbs. They are known as helping verbs. Is, am, are used with present tense of form. First, we will see usage of am. Am used with pronoun I. Always remember I. With pronoun I, we use am. Am is used with only and only pronoun I. With other pronouns, we are not going to use helping verb am. Let's see few examples. I am going to market. I am a girl. Moving to next one is used with singular nouns and pronouns. So children, is used with singular nouns and with singular pronouns. Example, he, she and it. He is singular pronoun. He is a clever boy. She is a good student. It is very dark outside. This house, singular noun, is very big. They all are present form of tense. Now we will see usage of are. Used with plural nouns, pronouns like you, we, they, these and those. Like is used with singular nouns and pronouns. Are is used with plural form of nouns and pronouns in present tense. Let's see a few examples. You are my best friend. We are shifting to Mumbai today. They are very rich people. Those are my things. These are my dresses. So all the sentences are in present form and shows plural noun or pronoun. Now we will learn usage of was and were. Was and were are always used with past form of tense. They are used with past form of tense. Was, were. First we will see usage of was used with singular nouns, pronouns. He, she, it and with this and that. So was is always used with singular nouns and pronouns. Let's see a few examples. The house was locked for a long time. He or she was unwell. It was a fine trip. This was in Mrs. Kapoor's room. That was a nice party. So children, whenever we will use was, we have to make sure that the tense is in past form and nouns and pronouns should be singular. Now we will move to were. Were used with plural nouns, pronouns like you, we, they, and with these, those, their. So were we will use with plural nouns and pronouns only. Let's see example. Sia and Pihu were going to watch a film. You were absent yesterday. We were waiting for you. They were shouting loudly. So all these sentences are in past form for tense. Now we will see usage of has, have and had. Mostly we use has and have with present tense and had with past tense. Let's see their usage. First we will see has used with a singular noun, pronoun like he, she. Mintu has a red ball. Mintu is singular noun. She has many kitchen sets. She is singular pronoun. Have, used with I and all plural nouns and pronouns. I have a new watch. They have a big house. We have many cars. So children, has and have are used with present form of tense. Has is used with singular noun and pronoun, and have is used with I and all plural nouns and pronouns. Now we will see usage of had. Had is used to show past form of a tense, used with both singular and plural nouns and pronouns. What someone had in the past. Has, have, and had, they all shows belongingness. They all shows possession. Let's see a few example. I had two houses. I had two houses somewhere in the past. We had great party last night. So what we had? We had a great party last night. He had a tired look on his face. So children, all these sentences show us past tense of past form of a tense. Had is used with both singular and plural nouns and pronouns. So children, today we learned about helping verbs like is, am, are, was, were, has, had, and have. Go through the exercises and complete it. Bye children.